To initiate the gallery walk on InteDashboard, you would have to open presentation mode from your teacher dashboard. Once you have it open, you will be able to see all the team's responses to the question, and then you can either choose to select all the answers for the gallery walk, or you can only choose the specific team's answers for the gallery walk. You can also set some of the answers as good answer, and then it will be visible to the teams as well as they're going through the e-gallery walk. Note that while creating the free response application activity, you can also include highlighted words, keywords, which will be highlighted if the teams include those words in their answers. And this will be especially helpful if you have a large cohort of students and you want to go through the answers provided by the teams quickly and differentiate between a good answer and a bad answer. So let's select the team's responses for the e-gallery walk and then initiate the e-gallery walk here. Once we click on this button, we'll be able to see the settings for the e-gallery walk, and we have different comment requirements that we can set. For example, to set no requirement at all, or to require the teams to comment for the answers they have voted for only, or require teams to provide a comment for all the answers. We can also choose to set a time limit for the e-gallery walk, however many minutes we want to include, or we can just skip that. And once we have finalized the settings for the e-gallery walk, we can start the e-gallery walk. And then as students go through the activity and then they submit their comments and votes, we will be able to see their votes and comments live on our dashboard here. Now let's look at how the e-gallery walk looks on the student's dashboard. So once the teacher has started the e-gallery walk, we should be able to see the Join e-gallery walk button here. And once we click on it, we'll be redirected to the activity. We'll be able to see the question here. And then when we scroll down, we should be able to see all the team's responses to the question. As you can see, for example, for Team 3, the teacher has set the answer as good answer. And as we go through the e-gallery walk of students, we should be able to see which of the answers were set as good answer from the teacher, and maybe it helps guide our discussion. So we can vote for other teams' responses. We won't be able to vote or comment on our team's response. And we can also type in comments for the other teams. So let's say we vote for Team 3 and we add our, while we agree with their answer, and then we can also type in comments for the other team's responses, and then we submit vote and comments. We can also change our votes or comments, and once we made any changes to our answers, we can update vote and comments, and then the teacher should be able to see our responses to the e-gallery walk activity. Once the students have completed the e-gallery walk activity, you should be able to see it on the presentation mode on your teacher dashboard. You should be able to see the questions time here, and then if you scroll down, you will be able to see the results of the e-gallery walk, votes and comments from the teams. You should also be able to toggle between the display options, so how you see, for example, if you want to make it into 2 columns or 3 columns. And you can see all the team's answers. For example, here we can see that Team 2 has voted for Team 1, Team 4 has voted for Team 2, and so forth. You can also choose to release the e-gallery walk results to students, and that way they can see the overall results of the e-gallery walk activity that they have just completed.